The elves and I at the Institute put together our own rendition of the 12 Days of Christmas. So let's get into it. On the first day of Christmas, Santa Cecil gave to me. No, we're not gonna do this. We're not gonna make you guys watch this. It took 6 hours to film. We replayed it back. It was terrible. We're just gonna do the last 12 days. The last 12 days. Ken from Christmas Future. Action. On the 12th day of Christmas, Santa Cecil gave to me 12 plus new cards a month, 11 returning customers, 10 local search results. There's 10 shops on there. 9 times the marketing return. 8 texts of milking. We didn't. I thought we rewrote. We didn't rewrite that. No? Okay, all right. 7 more website bookings. 6 expert trainers. We got 5-star Yelp reviews. 4+ ways to guerrilla market. 3 social media rules. 2 days to network in 2 different ways. Hello. And 1 ticket to the Mars conference. Happy holidays from us at the Institute. We had a lot of fun making this video. We hope you like it. Check out the Mars conference. You guys can register for that at mars.theautomotiveinstitute.com. You can also find out more information on that event, or you can call us in the number that's brought up here. Are we going to do a phone number on the screen? Can we do that? And I can get you registered for the conference. We've got a ton of great trainers from all different aspects of the marketing realm. They're going to come and be teaching for 2 days here at the Institute's new facility. And we can't wait to see you guys there. Again, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and all the rest of it. I'm going to go get some ice for my face.
Ho, 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 ho! Merry Christmas to everyone!
12+ new cars a month.